Hi everyone. Welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and in today's video, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two of the hottest mid-range smartphones on the market, the Google Pixel 8a and the Samsung Galaxy A55. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for your next phone upgrade, we've got you covered. We'll be breaking down the design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and much more to help you decide which smartphone is the perfect fit for you. If you want more information about these smartphones, check the links in the description below. So further ado, let's dive into the video. First, let's talk about design. The Pixel 8a keeps things simple and refined, looking a lot like the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It's got rounded edges and a matte finish that feels great in your hand and doesn't attract smudges. You've got four vibrant colors to choose from: aloe green, bay blue, obsidian black, and porcelain white. The aloe green is especially eye-catching. Just a heads up, though, if you want the 256GB storage option, you'll need to go with the obsidian black. On the other hand, the Galaxy A55 goes for a modern, stylish look with a flat Gorilla Glass Victus Plus rear panel and a textured metal chassis. While it looks slick, the sharp edges and slippery back can make it a bit uncomfortable to hold for long periods. It's available in some cool colors like Awesome Navy, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Lemon. Despite its sleek design, the in-hand feel isn't as nice as the previous Galaxy A54. Now, moving on to the display. The Pixel 8a has a 6.1-inch OLED display, slightly smaller than the Pixel 8's 6.2 inches. The bezels are a bit larger, but unless you're comparing them side by side, you won't really notice. The display is bright and vibrant, thanks to the OLED technology. The Galaxy A55 features a larger 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. It's bright, clear, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything smooth and easy on the eyes. The bezels are thicker, but the display quality is impressive, making it great for gaming and watching videos. When it comes to performance, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 processor with 8GB of RAM. It's quick and efficient, opening apps, launching the camera, and running games smoothly. It might not be as powerful as flagship models, but it's definitely faster than the Pixel 7a. The Galaxy A55, equipped with Samsung's Exynos 1480 chip and 8GB of RAM, had a bit of a rocky start with some initial slowness. However, once it settled, it handled everyday tasks and gaming with ease. The in-display fingerprint sensor is reliable, though a tad slower than some competitors. Let's talk cameras. The Pixel 8a has a 64-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It's missing some advanced features like laser autofocus, but it still takes vibrant, true-to-life photos that are perfect for everyday use. The Galaxy A55 features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The camera software has seen some improvements, but if you're expecting a major upgrade from the Galaxy A54, you might be disappointed. The main camera is good for colorful and dynamic shots, but the wide-angle and macro cameras don't perform as well, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life on both phones is solid. The Pixel 8a easily gets through a full day with moderate use. Even with intensive tasks like streaming videos, it holds up well. Samsung claims the Galaxy A55's 5000 mAh battery can last for 2 days, depending on usage. It's more efficient than the Galaxy A54, with minimal drain during gaming and video streaming. However, it lacks wireless charging and only supports 25 watts wired charging, which is slower compared to some competitors. Finally, let's touch on software and updates. The Pixel 8a runs on a clean version of Android with smart features like Hold for Me and Circle to Search. Google promises 7 years of Android updates, which is fantastic for a mid-range phone. The Galaxy A55 comes with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.1. While it doesn't have the advanced AI features of Samsung's flagship S series, it will receive 4 major updates and 5 years of security updates. One UI is user-friendly but requires a bit of setup to get it just right. So, to wrap it up, both the Google Pixel 8a and the Samsung Galaxy A55 have a lot to offer. The Pixel 8a shines with its design simplicity, software support, and camera performance for everyday use. The Galaxy A55 stands out with its larger, high refresh rate display and solid build quality, though it's less comfortable to hold. Your choice will depend on what you prioritize in a smartphone. And this is the comparison between Google Pixel 8a and the Samsung Galaxy A55. If you want more information about these laptops, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.